Explore the world of 3D documents with the following instructions. Learn how to configure your settings to best fit your needs. Expand the filter menu. Click on Is Model to filter for documents linked to models. Close the filter menu so it stays closed when the 3D panel is opened. Click on 3D to open this document in the 3D viewer. Note that the 3D panel is now open in addition to the content panel. Click and drag the panel divider to make the content panel larger. Expand the column drop-down menu. Toggle on relevant columns. Checkbox, Model Name, Revision, Side, Labels, Revision Created, Viewer. Drag the column anchor. Reposition the viewer column to the start. Close the column drop-down menu. Drag the header row to reposition the model name column. Click on the header row of the model name column to sort it. Click and drag the header row divider to change the column width. Resize to your preferred width. To select multiple models, first select one. Hold Shift and click another model. Select multiple models in one go. Expand the selected item action menu. Select the 3D models action to load all models in the 3D viewer. Filter for files with point cloud extensions. Click on 3D to load a point cloud scan of your project in the 3D viewer. Filter for files with City GML extensions. Click on 3D so you can see the context of the city around your model in the 3D viewer. Click on the content panel icon to close it. Click to open the revision selector. Document previews loaded in the 3D viewer are first. Document models that you have access to in the project show below. By following these steps, effectively prepare for 3D navigation.